Hi guys, what are you doing? Oh, nothing, Rexy. Just sitting down here relaxing or whatever. Yeah, same. So, you got any plans for today, guys? No, not really. Huh? Who's that? Guys, we have like a message that there's a new villain wreaking havoc. We better hurry before he destroys the damn city or whatever. Oh, what the fuck was that? Holy shit. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Catastrophe. Wahahaha. Yeah, I'm the new villain in town. Oh yes. Who says a kitty can't be bad? Time to destroy the city. Oh yes. Time to destroy the city. City. Time to destroy the city. Oh yes. What the hell is going on here or whatever? What the hell is that? A giant ass cat? Yeah, I'm afraid so. Ha 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 ha, I'm catastrophe, assholes. Oh well, we better stop him or whatever. Oh yes, you're on. Come on. Come on. I'll fly up. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's roll. Let's stop him or whatever. Yup. I got this. Wahahaha. Hey, tiny asshole. You better stop it. Let's see about that, asshole. No. Hey, leave my friends alone. Before you get hurt, kitty cat. Oh, that's it. Woof. Don't call me kitty cat. Only I can call myself that. What? That didn't make no sense or whatever. Weak as hell. Now let me get back to the store in the city. I have wings or whatever. So I can destroy whatever I want while I'm even using the ship thing or whatever that shit is. What the hell? I love being evil. Yahoo! This rules. This is my new home or whatever. Hee. Oh no, we gotta stop her. We gotta stop him or whatever. Come on. Hey asshole, up here. Huh? Oh, why you little... Oh, no. Don't worry, citizens. We'll get everything sorted out. Yeah, we'll stop her. To leave my friends alone. Oh no. Take that, tiny arms. Why you little? Stop calling me that. Leave them alone. Shit. Oh no. Huh? You're dead. No. My magical horns. Let's get her. You're going to jail, asshole. You got a new prisoner. Shoe cops. Oh yeah, thank you. We make sure to take care of this asshole. Make sure he never escapes. Whatever. Right. Don't worry, we'll keep an eye on him or whatever. Whatever. I'll be back. You'll see. I'll be back. You'll see. I'll be back. Shut up. See, guys, we did it. Oh yes. We did it because we're the crew. Yeah. Yeah. And now let's clean everything up, shall we? Yeah. I call dibs on Grimlock doing it. Yeah, same here. What? What? Oh, fine, whatever. There we go. Okay, let's go back to our home. Home sweet home. Well, we got new buildings to worry about. But don't worry, we know that we're gonna be ready for them for the next time. True. We can handle anything, yeah. Because we're the crew.